Well, we've seen the letters circulating on WhatsApp groups about the chaos in the coalition of the ANC, EFF, PA, and the minority government group or government partners. And we see that they're asking for the recall of Thapelo Amad. Well, the DA has written months ago when the video, we received complaints from the public about the fact that nothing is being done about the video circulating of Councillor Thapelo Amad, who's the MMC of Community Development, firing into the air at a funeral. Now, firing bullets into the air is not going to build social cohesion. And the fact that the executive mayor has not said anything, and all these other MMC, we've written to him to ask the MMC to step down. The mayor has the authority to actually appoint or remove MMCs for their position. We're not asking for much. We're saying the rule of law must be upheld. And there's a clear awareness that there's cases opened, there's investigations being done, and we said that let these MMCs, including Councillor Thapelo Amad, step down pending investigation. He's done it previously where there were investigations with other MMCs, and this time around, the mayor clearly, if he's not acting on this, seems to be condoning this behavior. So we call on the city of Joburg to uphold the rule of law. The Firearms Control Act is very clear. You can't discharge these fire bullets in a public space. And this is at a funeral. It cannot be acceptable. And also you do not build social cohesion by firing bullets in the air.